by Peter Wanjala Namasaka, HSC. Head teacher, Gong Township Comprehensive School. Teacher, pause for a moment. Your greatest lesson may not be the one you write on the chalkboard. A child may forget the formula you taught, the date you wrote, or the definition you explained. But they may never forget how you made them feel, how you believed in them, and how you awakened the greatness hidden within them. The chalkboard teaches the mind. The teacher must also touch the heart. Beyond the chalkboard, there is a child battling poverty. Beyond the classroom, there is a learner carrying fear. Confusion, rejection, or a dream they are afraid to speak about. Do not merely teach subjects, discover destinies. Your voice can become someone's courage. Your encouragement can become someone's turning point. Your discipline can become someone's direction. Your example can become someone's definition of integrity. Never underestimate the power of a teacher who refuses to give up on a learner. We are not simply preparing children to pass examinations. We are preparing human beings to face life. So teacher, wake up! Do not enter the classroom merely to complete a syllabus. Enter to complete a mission. Do not count only the lessons you have taught. Count the lives you have touched. Do not ask, what will I gain from teaching? Ask, what greatness can I awaken through teaching? Because when the chalk is gone, the board is erased and the classroom door is closed, your greatest legacy will not be what you wrote. It will be what you wrote into the lives of your learners. Go beyond the chalkboard. Go beyond the syllabus. Go beyond convenience. Go beyond ordinary teaching. Go beyond the chalkboard. Go beyond the syllabus. Go beyond convenience. Go beyond ordinary teaching. Teach with purpose. Lead with wisdom, serve with passion, and leave every learner better than you found them. Teacher, your classroom is not just a room.